Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to fix this problem. You can see it's having the fast boot here, so you can just press on this button. You can see power button. You have to just long press it. The screen is not working, the volume button is not working. You have to just long press it here, and you can see after that. So friends, you can see after that it is now opening. So friends, you can see it is now opening. You have to just wait for 3 to 4 seconds till it's open. Let's wait for it. So friends, you can see it is now opened successfully and fast boot is removed successfully. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.